Okay, thank you all for joining. I know most of you are gonna watch this later on. It's not you're not gonna watch it live because of the long weekend. We have a long weekend, and we're already in the lockdown, so it's gonna be double long weekends. 10 days, kids at the house, yay! So yeah, so let's look at the charts. As promised, started at the beginning of the month. Elliott Wave course. You go to the academy, you press on the view more, it will send you to our academic courses. This course right here, learn how to read the language of the market. It is the Elliott Wave course. It is free. You have anyone can access it. I know, right, lad? That's what we try to teach them, to be patient. So anyone can access it, just to register and take the course. A lot of information, a lot of basic stuff, how to look at the market, what's the concept from a different view, from our view, from the shape type of view, because we trade shapes, and that's how we started this, because we started as Elliott Wave concept. After that free course take, we already have Cosmin, we already have the hallmark setup, which is the 2-week course, starting on the 12th. I can check, there's a pending one more seat, but today is the last day because you need a week to prepare. So because there's some documents that you need to read and do a summary on, because we focus a lot on the psychology. So if you're interested, just send me a message on Telegram or Discord, and I will send you the link. Yeah, we focus a lot on psychology, so we send you some documents to read and to check and to do a summary on, and to open like a Word document online, so that we monitor your progress as if you're taking one-on-one, but it's more like a group course. Okay, so thank you all for joining. Let's hit the charts. Not too much advertisement for today. Crypto, I know most of you love the crypto stuff. What we're looking at, oh man, I always forget to open this pen. Where is it? There you go. Bring it over here. Perfect. So I know that was a beautiful drop. I basically traded this drop to the 57 area yesterday. Okay, so what do we have here? As long we're staying underneath this area, we should continue looking for our sells. Short term, we are in a correction, as we said, I've been saying for the past couple of weeks. With this whole thing is a correction, so it's part of a correction where you have to look at it in a different angle for you to understand where we are. Okay, so as basic concept, us humans, we like to complicate stuff, right? Trading is not that complicated. The simpler it is, the simpler you look at the market, the simpler you will make your trading easier. Okay, so basically, simple concept, we're staying underneath here, continue looking for your sells. Any break above this, start looking for your buys, continue looking for your buys. Okay, so that's the simple way to put it. You want to complicate it, you're more than welcome to enter into counts and label them as you like. ETH, the same thing. Okay, we're still underneath here, we're looking for a drop. How far? We can measure it, we can see which leg it is. If you're interested to know how to measure, how to look which leg to compare, which wave it is, you're more than welcome to come and take the course. Okay, and any move above this area, we should be looking, that would be your missing leg, and we should be heading up. How far? We can measure it in our live sessions and give updates that we do every Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Pre-London. XRP, for the people that requested it, the same concept. That was a pure liquidity grab and came back inside the zone. Now if it's gonna do that, I will not be buying. Okay, this is gonna continue heading down, same like all the crypto site. Any break above this, continue looking for your buys. This would be heading up. So let the market tell you. It's very simple. Let the market show you its hand and trade. You don't need to be on every trade. If you are a day trader, if you are a swing trader, you have to look in a different concept. You shouldn't be even looking on this time frame. Okay, check the daily, check the 8 hour, and check the weekly. So but us, we teach day trading, and that's we do. So yes, Danny, I will check that at the end. Exactly. So wait for it to show you its hand, break above this on the pullback, and take your buy. There's no top and there's no bottom. That's what you need to understand. There's risk management and there's a concept that you need to look at. Okay, the indices, we said it last week, continue looking for your buys, and that was the top that was broken. So at any pullback, continue looking for your buy. There's no indication of it pulling back. Okay, we might have a pullback till here, but on any pullback, continue looking for your buys. UK 100, I would love, keep on looking for your buys. I would love this to come down here, as I mentioned last week, okay, to enter more, but this is the direction we are looking for, up move. DXY, for the upcoming week, I'm looking for something like this, and continuation for the up move. This can continue from here. So direction is this. Euro, same concept. Is the opposite of the DXY. This can continue like this, similar to this, or it can do one more and drop. Direction is the downside. Keep on looking for yourselves. We updated the website. It will be updated on Monday, but I put some remarks to watch for the subscribers. So if there's a box that need to be watched, if it's broken, we change the momentum of the market. Okay, so but for now, this one, it did not come as deep as it is, but that's your liquidity area. This can be part of a correction which can be more complex, okay, before any drop. Now there's an area that we're watching. Any break above this area, this top and this top are going to be taken out, and continuation for the up move. Okay, and that's what it's looking like on most of the pound pairs, but let's try to make the market tell us what exactly it needs, where is it heading. Okay, we don't have a crystal ball to tell it or to see how far it is going. Well, we put our predictions and we see which ones are playing out and which ones it has good risk to reward on that day to trade, right? So anyways, so UCAD, this can do that and continue heading up, or from here it can continue. The direction is still to the upside on most of the pound pair, CAD pairs. NU, expecting continuation for the down move, same concept. This can do that, more complicated, and drop, or it can drop from here. Okay, keep on looking for yourselves. Aussie, same thing. Keep on looking for your sells. On the website I posted this around these areas, a type of a correction, but this time it's making something like this. It can take out this high and drop, or it can drop from here. Direction is this. This is a type of a correction, and this is a type of a correction. They're both corrections. They're both structures that we teach in our course for you to understand them, and we don't teach Elliott wave. Silver. Silver, this can do one more drop, but I'm not interested in it. I'm interested in this on the up move. So on any pullback, on any risk to reward that gives me a better entry to go. We missed this on our live for some kind of reason. I did not see this move. I was expecting one more drop, then continuation of the up move. Okay, but one of our members indicated it after it was here, and we didn't wanna, it's not wise to FOMO and jump in, right? We wait for the best setup and take it. But keep in mind, we might have one more drop. If that's what it's gonna do, beautiful, that's what we're gonna take. Hopefully we'll get that. Same thing for gold. I'm not interested in any drop, though there is some accumulation liquidity area down here. I would love to see this taken out and then taken, but the direction I'm looking for the up move. Oil, we indicated we are in a correction. This is type of a correction. It's gonna be choppy. If you're not experienced enough, do not trade it. Wait for it to end. Okay, this is choppy. There's a lot of missing legs. This can do like this, then drop one more and go up back again before any drop. Okay, so it can be extended and break the top. If you are not experienced enough, leave it alone. But this is a correction. Know how to trade it. UJ, we spoke, we indicated that the direction is to the upside. On any pullback, take it up. Pullback, take it up. Pound, we indicated last week that we are expecting a correction, and this is type of a correction. We call them running corrections. Okay, and we're heading up. Okay, watch the 154, even 155 area. If you are in a long, move your stop loss into decent profit and let it run. This is another type of a correction for it to push up. Same thing for Euro yen. This is a type of a correction. Even this one right here, this whole move is a type of a correction. On any pullback, continue heading up. This will break the top till 131, 132 area. Pound, we explained it in details last week, where it is going and what they're doing here. That's the direction we're going for. Look how choppy it was. Accumulation, and that's the break. It's gonna break to the top side. So if you can add on it, or if you're not already in, look for your buy setup. That's our weekly cover. BTC cash, sure. This can simply do a fake out around these areas. Can simply do a fake out and continue moving up. But that's where we're heading. Yeah, the direction is to the upside. Any fake out, I'm interested on the pullback to go up. Okay, OB1. No. Then you asked me for... I can't see it, man. I can't see it, Danny. If you can post the ticker for it, more than happy to check it out. Cosman, you're more than welcome. What's his name? Kunal. You said you wanted the GN and EN are on the website, Kunal, so you can check them out after Cappy will update them pre-London. The 4 hours already covered. GBP, pound, Swiss, sure. It's the same thing. Like I can show you. It's the same concept. I'll show you both. Right, so if this is not clear for you, okay, this is part of a correction. That was your correction, and this is heading up. If you are already in a buy, hold it. We're heading up. And if this is not clear, you can always check this one. This is part of your correction. Taking out these lows. Okay, Kunal. Alright, guys. Have a beautiful week. Trade safe. If anything hits me up, you're more than welcome, Kunal. If anything hit me up in the chat, and just be careful and enjoy the Easter. Thank you for attending. Press the likes.